Good morning class 4. We were reading chapter 8 in EBS and the name of this chapter is The Amazing World of Plants. In the previous class we have seen that Ria was telling about the plants and its parts of plant we have read in the previous class. And now in this class we are going to read types of roots. So students, open page number 40 in your EBS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Roots are important for the plant because they fix the plant to the soil. So, roots keep plants closed with soil so that the plants are not uprooted by the strong wind. Roots are of two kinds. First, tap roots. Some plants have one main root with many small roots branching out of it. Such roots are called tap roots. For example, carrot, radish and mango tree have tap roots. So, you have understood about tap roots that the roots of some plants have a fine root that is in the middle and is thick, which is known as main root. And from this, small thin roots are raised and form branch-like structure. Such roots are called tap roots. For example, carrot, radish and mango trees have tap roots. Now about fibrous roots. You can read about fibrous root. Some plants have numerous roots roughly of the same size growing from the base of the stem. These are called fibrous roots. For example, grasses have fibrous roots. Roots in some plants grow in more than on one indeterminate. You can understand about the fibrous root that roots in some plants grow in more than one indeterminate shape and size. Their length and width are also vary greatly. There is no main root in them. All roots are like branches. These are called fibrous roots. For example, grasses have fibrous roots. It is easy to pull out small plants with tap roots from the soil, while plants with fibrous roots are difficult to pull out. So, tap root, we can uproot tap roots easily, and it is difficult to uproot fibrous root. Ria wants to know, write true T for tap roots and F for fibrous root for the following plants. Neem tree, you have to write tap root, that is T, and fibrous root, that is F, for the following plants like neem tree, money plant, mint plant and Gulmohar tree. So this is your homework. That's all for today, students. In the next class we will see functions of roots.